Pilea Silver Sparkle is native to Central and South America. It has become popular as a houseplant in recent years due to its unique appearance and easy care. Silver Sparkle is a small, low-growing plant with delicate silvery green leaves that resemble tiny scales. The leaves are slightly succulent and have a shimmering, iridescent quality. The plant produces small, inconspicuous flowers that are not usually visible. Silver Sparkle prefers bright, indirect light, well-draining soil. It can tolerate a range of temperatures, but prefers warmer conditions and may struggle in cold or drafty areas. The plant should be watered sparingly, allowing the soil to dry out between waterings. Overwatering can cause the plant to rot. Silver Sparkle can be planted with other small, low-growing plants, such as peperomia and fittonia. It can also be grown in a terrarium or as a trailing plant in a hanging basket. Pilea Silver Sparkle is primarily used as an ornamental plant due to its unique and attractive appearance. It is often grown as a houseplant and is suitable for small spaces. The plant is not known to have any significant medicinal or culinary uses.